Alright, let's make an incredibly easy scallion chicken recipe, and this one might just blow you away. So to get started, we're going to take 1 pound of chicken. Now I like to go with chicken breast, and we're going to trim this and then cut it into tenders. Then to make our marinade, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and give it a good whisk. Once the mixture is nice and smooth, then we're going to add our chicken into the bowl, and you're going to make sure that this is plenty coated and let this marinate for at least 30 minutes, but of course it's best overnight. Now this recipe really only has 2 ingredients, and that's chicken and of course scallions or green onions. So we're going to need quite a few here. I'm taking 2 bunches, which is about 10 total, and we're going to make sure they're thinly sliced. Alright, now for searing the chicken, I recommend getting a large nonstick pan, and over medium heat, we're going to add the chicken directly into the pan. Now the reason why we're not adding oil beforehand is with this marinade, if you have oil in there, it's going to spit all over the place. So depending on the size of your tenders, we're going to sear this first side for about 4 to 5 minutes, flip, and then we're going to sear that second side for the same amount of time. Make sure to let this rest for at least 5 minutes so we don't lose any of that juice out of the chicken, and you can cut this into strips, chunks, however you want to have it in the dish. Now it's time to finish the recipe, so in that same pan, we're going to add in the bottoms of the green onions along with a pinch of salt, and you're going to cook over medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they begin to soften. Next, we can add the tops of the green onions, and we're going to cook this for about a minute until those begin to soften, and then we can take all of our sliced chicken from earlier, add into the pan, and give it a good mix until fully incorporated, taste for seasonings, and you're done. I love this recipe because of how easy it is, and we're going to make sure plating is very much the same. So we're just going to take a bowl and fill it with some white rice, and then top with plenty of our scallion chicken. For garnish, we're just going a little bit of green onion, and that's it, you're ready to eat. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.